children. You can do it this way, or you can say, okay, here we have 5 children, and in the ham we have 2 children. 5 minus 2 equals 3. But it's better to get used to read and analyze the data using picture graphs. Okay? Now let's move to page 667. Okay, I want you to pause the video, try to answer on your own, then you continue watching the video, because it's so important to be trained for such questions. Now I hope now you are continuing the video after you paused it. So let's start the on your own part. It says, use the tally chart to complete the picture graph. Draw a happy face or smiley face for each child. Now, what is this chart and graph about? Can someone tell me? Excellent! We can look to the title right here. We can see it, favorite fruit. So it's about favorite fruit. How many fruits do we have? We have the apple, the plum, banana, and orange. Okay? Now, let's try to read the tally chart first. Let's start with the apple. How many children like apple or choose apple as their favorite fruit? Let's count. 1 tally, 2, 3, and 4. So here I got 4 tallies or 4 tally marks, which means how many children? 4 children. 4 children. Now here for the plum, how many? Let's count. 1, 2. So we got 2 children who consider plum as their favorite fruit. Now what about the banana? Let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And this line that passes through all of them like a diagonal line, it's 5. So we got 5 children who consider the banana as their favorite fruit. Now what about the orange? Let's count together. How many tally marks do we have? 1, 2, 3, which means we got 3 children who consider orange as their favorite fruit. Okay? Now, we want to use the tally chart to complete the picture chart. And we are asked to do what? What is the key? Each smiley face stands for 1 child. So let's do it together. For the apple, how many children? As you can see here, we got 4 tallies or 4 tally marks. So it's 4 children. So how many happy faces? 4. Or how many smiley faces? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Excellent. What about the plum? How many children? We have 2 tallies, which means 2 children. So we will draw 2 smiley faces. Okay, what about the banana? We got how many tallies? 5, right? Which means 5 children, which means 5 smiley faces. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. What about the orange? We got 3 tally marks or 3 tallies, which means 3 children. So we will draw 1 smiley face for each children. So we will draw 3 smiley faces. Now I need to ask you a question. What was the most chosen favorite fruit? Which fruit got the highest number of children? Excellent, it's a banana. How did I know? Because banana got the longest row, right? Okay, now which fruit was considered the least to be a favorite fruit? the fruit that got the lowest number of children who consider it as their favorite fruit? Of course, the plum. How did I know? The plum got the shortest row. Okay? So that's how the picture graph show us in an easier way how to compare data in a very easy and simple way. Now let's answer the first question. It says, how many children choose banana? This is so easy. You can see it. It's 5 children. How many fewer children choose plum than banana? So here we compare the plum with banana as a favorite fruit. So here we have the plum right here and the banana right here. Okay, they match till this part. All of this is extra, so I will do it like this. So how many smiley faces do we got? 3 more. But let's read the question. It says, how many fewer children choose plum than banana? So here it's 3 fewer. Okay? So the answer is 3 fewer children. Okay. Now I need to ask you a question. Now I just want to repair this. Okay, so we can answer the following question. Now it says, in the Think Smarter part, it says, how many children choose a fruit that is not a plum? So we have to count all the children who choose the fruit but not included the plum. It's like if we don't have this fruit, we will exclude it. Okay, so let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the answer is 12 children. Okay, now the last question here, it says, which 3 fruits were chosen by a total of 10 children? Now, this question, I want you to think of it and do it for me. Try to analyze. I know this question is not an easy one. It's a challengeable question because it's go deeper. So it will need a lot of analysis, not just to be able to read the picture graph. You need to analyze all the data and try to figure out which 3 fruits that were chosen by a total of 10 children. Now do this part as a homework and send it to me via email, the school email. Okay, so this is like a homework. If you would like to share your answer, please send it to me. I know this question, as I told you, I know that you are so smart and you can do it, but this question needs a lot of effort because it's a go deeper type. I'm waiting for your answers and I'm sure you're going to find the right answer. This is the end of our lesson for today. I hope you understood the lesson. Stay at home, stay safe. May Allah bless you all and your families. Goodbye.